Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're going to be installing these Auxito LED fog lights on the TrailBlazer. Well, we got the headlights already swapped out for some LEDs. So now we have to do the fog lights. I have to get in there and turn them on. But first, let me install one side so you guys can see the difference. So this is the bulb that we got. I don't think it will focus, but it's a 6500 white. Up here it says 880 slash 893 slash 899. I guess those are the bulbs that it replaces. So this is what came out. This is the old LED bulb, and this is what's gonna go in. Looks really good. So this is like a little side by side on the old and the new. So this is all that comes in the package, just two bulbs, nothing else. And I'm gonna show you how to put this one on right now. So as you can see, this side already has the bulb in and this side doesn't. In person you can tell it's a big difference. You can even see it right there. That one's way brighter. So all you have to do is go under here, and it's this one. So you basically twist it to the left and the bulb comes out, and then you have to get to this clip and pull it apart. So there you go, came out. The only difference is that the house, well, this one has the plug not on the actual bulb, it's like on the side. But what you could do is just zip tie it to the side of the fog light or something. So the new one just slides in. Yeah, right there. And then it could only go in one way, so once it goes in, you twist it to the right and it should be in place. And then you plug in the new light. And that's it. So what we're gonna do now is zip tie this to something down here. I don't know. Leave it right there for right now, but we're gonna end up zip tying that before we drive it so it won't catch on to anything. Those are both of the bulbs installed, and these headlights are super bright. Quick little video. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at _Auxito. I'll leave that in the description down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.